So hello and welcome back to the School of Stock Market everyone, and this is going to be the post market analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. Guys, do watch the video till end to actually understand as to what has happened in the market and what are the expectations from the market for the upcoming days. Apart from that, we are also going to share two really important stocks for tomorrow's trading, so do watch the video till end to get to know about them also. So first of all, congratulations to all of those who are waiting for Nifty cross above 15,900's resistance. Today Nifty did it, and apart from that, one more good thing has happened in the market, and that thing is that Nifty has given us a closing near its all-time high. So today's closing is the highest closing of all time. Today's Nifty closing is the highest closing of all time, which is a very bullish signal given by the Nifty 50, right? Previously you can see that when on the 15th June Nifty made an all-time high of 901, you will recognize that after making the 901, Nifty consolidated and has given us a downside closing. A similar thing has happened again on the 28th June. You will see Nifty made an all-time high of 915 but has given us a closing almost 100 points on the downside, right? But today you will recognize that Nifty has made an all-time high of 952 but has given us a closing of 1500 and 924. So this is also really bullish impact. So the people, those who wants to go long in the market, is it the right time or yet you need to wait? So guys, look, there are two possibilities. One, you can be long in the market. Two, you can wait for tomorrow's closing, because tomorrow is also the weekly candles closing. So if weekly candle also closes above this particular level, then we can be really bullish in the market. Two continuous day of closing above the 900 levels, and apart from that, a weekly closing above the 900 levels, and that is going to be a really good bullish sign in the market, because today's closing you'll recognize at 15,924 is a fair bullish, and very bullish would be 950 or 960 would be very bullish. Today is a fair bullish. But if you choose the second option of waiting till tomorrow's closing before going long in the market, and I'm talking from the positional traders perspective, so traders, definitely we do have trading opportunities for tomorrow also, and I'll talk about them. Right now I'm focusing for the positional players, and why I'm saying is that for wait for tomorrow's closing also, there is going to be one advantage and one disadvantage of that particular thing. If we wait for tomorrow's closing, one disadvantage is that market might gain more 50 or 100 points. I'm telling you, market is not going to gain more than that. Market is going to gain at most 100 points if we miss out on the trade for tomorrow. But what is the advantage? Advantage is that then we can be really bullish on the market. The bullishness in the market, or the bullish impact in the market, would be increased, because we would be having two simultaneously day of closing above this level, and apart from that, we are also going to have one weekly closing about that. So that is the advantage and that is the disadvantage, and then decision is yours. Obviously the discretion is yours. I can give you the conditions and the reasons why I'm telling you anything. So I hope you got the feel of it as to what I'm trying to communicate right now. From the day trading perspective, let's move on the hourly chart. And on the hourly chart, definitely there was not much trading opportunities today. Once Nifty breaked above the resistance, Nifty was mostly consolidating in a range. So yeah, definitely not much trading opportunity was there in the market, and I hope and I think there was a boring day, and the people who went long might ended up losing premium only, right? Now for tomorrow, what we can do, talking from the intraday traders and scalpers, definitely you can find an indecision made at the closing. Last 15-minute candle made by the Nifty 50 was an indecision candle. So yeah, definitely the opening direction is going to be the direction of the momentum. But remember that logic of gap up and gap down. Too much gap up and too much gap down, then market is not going to follow that particular direction. But yeah, if in the first initial hour or in the second hour market fills that gap, then definitely market can continue that particular direction. Now the thing is that on the daily basis, as we have seen a closing above the resistance, what we are anticipating is that market might go up from here, right? What a day trader would take a feel from the daily higher closing is that now market can go long and I should look at the long opportunities. But no, that's not the fact. Let me show you the 15-minute chart, and on the 15-minute chart you'll recognize that market made this double top also, right? So yeah, definitely market has given us a signal that market can fall also. So now you guys might be confused as to what we can do. So here is the thing that you can do, and that thing is that if market goes below this particular level which is now supposed to act as a support, then if definitely you can short the market. If market does not go below this level, then what you can do, you should wait market to go above its all-time high. Wait Nifty 50 to go above 15,952 level. Let's say wait Nifty 50 to go above 960. After that you can long the market. But remember one thing, that that price movement should be very authentic and very strong. It should not be with a gap. If you see that Nifty has moved up with a gap, Nifty went above 960 but with a gap, then you can't go long in the market. We really need Nifty to go till that level very authentically. If Nifty gives us a gap up, then we want Nifty in the first hour or second hour to fill the gap, and then we can again we can go long in the market. These are the conditions, or you can see the important levels that you need to remember, and you need to trade according to that. So I hope you guys are very much clear as to what you can do in the Nifty 50. Now taking you to the Bank Nifty, let's see what has happened in the Bank Nifty today. Nifty Bank also, as you can see, I was talking about the Nifty Bank, that Nifty Bank is waiting for Nifty 50 to cross above resistance, and as Nifty 50 crossed about the resistance, you can see Bank Nifty also flying and going above the particular level of the resistance. So now what? Now what we are expecting from the Nifty Bank. So expectations from the Nifty Bank is also very clear and very similar to the Nifty 50. We are definitely, for positional trader, we are definitely waiting Bank Nifty to give us a closing above this level tomorrow also, and on the weekly basis also. Then positional players can come and play their game. Otherwise we need to wait, or we need to look for the shorting opportunities, correct? And apart from the intraday traders point of view, there was not much opportunities for intraday trading today in the market, though there was a indecision made in the opening, and above closing was a good sign to go long. If you would have gone long from this level also, then you would ended up getting not much profit. So yeah, definitely we are going to do what thing. The thing is that whatever the high was made by the market today, which I think was around 35,985, if market goes like 15 or 30 points above this, and Nifty 50 also going in the same direction, we can go long. If not, then we have to wait market to come back till its resistance level, and if market wait till its support level. If market falls below the support, then we can do the shorting, right? So I hope the strategy is very much clear, correct? And if not happens, why I'm telling you that the market should go below this particular level for the shorting opportunities, because I know this is a 300 or 400 points gap which is going to be like completely devastated. We didn't trade it, but that movement is really uncertain. That's why I'm telling you to avoid it. Above this we can trade, and below this particular support level only we can trade, right? We need to leave this area, the zone of uncertainty, we need to consider it as, right? So I hope you are aware of it and you will trade accordingly now, right? So apart from the two stocks that we picked yesterday, one trade was not triggered, and another trade we didn't had much profit, right? So ignoring them, moving for the tomorrow's trade that we can take. So first is L&T. L&T, you'll see that today's market went up, every stock just blasted, and L&T was one of them. You can see the first hour candle, a big green candle, and after that consolidation. So definitely we are looking for the shorting opportunities. So we are going to short L&T below 1595, and the reason is very much clear. And the reason is that today these stocks just went up too much because of the Nifty 50 making all-time high. So I'm looking for a little bit of correction for tomorrow. That's why I'm telling you to short below 1595. I think it is going to be a good level to trade, right? Apart from that, second stock is going to be Grasim. Grasim, as you can see, was rising from previously few days, and again now you can see a little bit correction is there in the Grasim. So we are going to again try. Going and try to take the momentum that is there in the Grasim. So what we can do, is that today's closing of the Grasim was around 1554. So we are going to short Grasim below 1550. If momentum continues tomorrow, then we can take advantage of it and we can book good profit. So I hope guys you are clear with it, and your stop loss will be 1% in both the stocks, and target is going to be 1.5 to 2%, or according to your risk to reward. So I hope you got everything and you will trade accordingly, guys. So I hope everyone is clear about the Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Grasim, and as well as LNT. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.